Well, welcome to another ADHD Customs. In today's video, we're doing my very first ever unboxing video with some rare, cool parts. So, check it out now. In this box is something very special. Well, there's a few things that are very special in this box, to be honest. We're going to be doing an unboxing video, never done one before. This is from a bloke who I've become very good friends with, actually. You can follow his socials. I'll put them in a link below in the description as well. Seen Misfits is his Instagram. It's either Seen Misfits or Seen Misfits 13. He's also got a YouTube channel. He's just started Seen Misfits 13. You should go and check him out. He's probably one of the nicest blokes I've ever spoke to. He's also got a B3 Passat and a sick Mark 1 Golf with an R32 engine in it. Ridiculous thing that he's had and is still building. Anyway, yeah, he started off as being one of my viewers, and then we started chatting and that, and I actually class him now as one of my really good mates. We chat every day, so thanks, man. This is from him, and should we see what's in the box? Basically, what's been going on is I've been having a lot of trouble with my dashboard on the B3. The instrument cluster, I mean, has been playing up, the temperature gauge has been going up and all sorts, right? And it's related to the headlight switch as well. Something's going on between them two things. They seem to be having an argument with each other, the headlight switch and the instrument cluster. So anyway, basically, I'm chatting to him. His name is Ian Stobart. He's an absolute legend of a man. Like I just said, class him as a bloody good friend now. Anyway, out of the kindness of his own heart, he has sent me some bits for my B3 Passat, which are in this box. So let's get on with this unboxing video and see what goodies we've got in the box, shall we? By the way, there should hopefully be some stuff coming from Ian on my channel or his own channel, whatever he wants to do. But trust me, he's an up and coming YouTuber. The stuff he's got, the stuff he builds is unbelievable. The stuff he's showing me is ridiculous. It's really cool. And I was hoping to, at some point, to try and get him on the channel. I will be going up to his at some point and showing you his vehicles. And yeah, just watch out for that. Let's see what's in the box. What we got? Wow, it's properly wrapped. Right, what we got? Put it down. Oh, itchy nose. What have we got in here? Ah, just what I need. Oh, that feels a lot better than mine. Yes, one headlight switch for a B3 Passat. Just bear in mind, this is a B3 Passat. All these bits are so rare. They are so hard to find. And this legend of a man sent me these out of the kindness of his own heart because he's a true car guy. And us car guys help each other out. So, mate, I owe you more than one. I really do. Well, happy with that. What else we got? Oh, we got a second headlight switch, just in case that one doesn't work. Wow. Okay. What have we got here? What have I got here? There's bits in here that I weren't expecting, to be honest. What have he sent me? Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, no way. Wow, okay. That's a rare piece there. The MFA on the end. Wow, okay. I'm well happy with that. What else we got? What else we got in the box? Oh, we've got a fog light switch. Happy days. No idea what this is. What's this? What is this? I'm not even sure what this is. Oh, I know what that is. It's the thing to make my speedo digital on my car. That's exactly what that is. Yes. Legend. It's like Christmas morning, isn't it? What else we got? What else we got? Oh, we got another bag of stuff here. Bloody hell. We've got another headlight switch. I'm never going to have a problem with headlight switches, I'll tell you that much. I've got a, oh, that's a rear window switch for the heated rear window. And we've got, no way, we've got an aircon and whatever that is switch. You didn't have to send me that. I thought, that's, I know that's rare. Mate, that's cool as fuck. Wow, that is cool as, I'm not meant to swear on YouTube, am I? Wow. This is like Christmas morning, I'm telling you. I can't believe all the stuff I've got. I wasn't expecting all this. Right, what's this? What is this? It's fine, it's still in bubble wrap. Ooh, check that out. I don't know if the light's going to let me. Look at that. Wow, that's really cool. The red needles and the digital display. It's a digital dash for a B3 rare. That's so cool. That's what I need this for. Because if you notice on the back, there's no thing for a speedo cable drive on this because it's digital, and that's what that goes into my gearbox. I haven't got the wire. I don't even know what wire I'm meant to have. But once I find the right wire, this will be digital, and then I can probably get the rev counter working as well because I've got the PD150 engine. So yeah, with the PD150 engine, it's all digital, and so I haven't got a rev counter at the minute because that's mechanical in the thing. So that's really cool, really cool. If I can figure out what wires to get, or if anyone knows what wires I need to use, leave me a comment in the comments. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, mate. That's epic. Wow. Alright. And until I can figure out how to work that one, I think this is, I think the cat just fell off the windowsill. Until I can get that one working, because my one's shot, I think this is the same as the one I've got in my car, so I can have a working dials. Again, don't tell me I'm overheating when I'm not. So yeah, there we go, look, cable, look at that. Well, nice. Actually, I think it's got the same, that's really odd. I think that's almost got the same mileage as mine, but that's crazy, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, it's got a weird button there that mine doesn't have. What's that all about then? What's that thing? I've never seen that, mine hasn't got that. Whatever this little rubber thing is. Wow. There we have it. That is that. Well happy with all these bits, you know. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. I know what's going to happen with this box now. I give it 5 minutes and my cat will be asleep in it. Cats and boxes. Got a bit weird now, isn't it? I'm talking about cats and boxes. Right, let's put that in there. Recap what we got. Right. This is exciting stuff. It is. Right, we got new speedo for my car. God, if it wasn't going to get dark soon, I'd fit this. We've got the digital one, which I'm going to have to work out what wires I need to run that, to have a digital dash. We've got this with the MFA. I can't remember what MFA means. I had it on my other cars and it was really cool, but I can't remember what it does now. Wait, is it again? Oh, is that something to do with the wipers? No. What's MFA? I've forgotten. Anyway, it's going to be cool, and it's a part that you know. Anyway, yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3 window headlight switches. It's been a long day. My brain's a bit fried. We got new heated rear windscreen one. We've got the fog light one, and we've got this. Is very special indeed. That is for aircon and going swimming. It's when you go swimming. See that there? You press that button. It's like water, and you go swimming. That's what you do. I don't actually know what that's for. Anyway, it's very cool, and this is going to look really good on my dash. So even if it works, so I haven't got aircon, but it's going to look bloody good on my dash. So there we have it. Like I said before, go and check out the Instagram channel of Seen Misfits, spelled with a Z at the end of Misfits, I think. I will put the description in the comments. I will put the link in the description below. Got it. And thanks, Ian, mate. You're a legend, absolute legend. And we've really got to like catch up. So we'll probably be texting tonight anyway, to be honest. But yeah, I can't wait to meet you, man, and check out your vehicles and stuff. So thank you very much. This means a lot. So anyway, peeps, this weekend I should be doing a video on the T4 because I've got to get it fixed. And then I've got to decide whether I want to sell my T4 rat rod, if anyone's interested, or start customising it even more. Got lots of ideas, if I do keep it, for show season this year. And I suppose I better start buying tickets because time's ticking. But anyway, till the next one, see you next one. Yeah.